Technology is making us shocked every time, but now you will be more shocked than before. But before getting to this, make sure you like and subscribe our channel. Gallon steel trash. With its odor absorbing filter, you can use it for removing useless odor from the room. Moreover, it's a perfect kitchen trash. It has a stainless steel that will not save any fingerprints. It comes with 1-year warranty and one can easily return it if any faults occur in it. Moreover, it is a user-friendly and easy to use this gadget. Smart thermostat. Now, this winter everyone is worried about energy consumption but cannot control it. We are proposing a smart thermostat that will reduce the wastage of energy at your house. So this will make your life easy and comfortable. Moreover, you can get it easily from any of the markets. If that's not so enough, it comes with a 32 sensor that will detect minor detail as well. Moreover, you can easily use it with a Google Assistant, Samsung Smart Things and IFFT. Whiskey decanter globe. The whiskey decanter globe has an antique design and easy to use. This amazing and unique will enhance your experience and uniqueness at your home. Moreover, it has not only a whiskey decanter globe, but it has a globe-like glasses that will enhance your uniqueness at home. This will be a great gift and conversational style at any party. You can give it as a gift to any friend that loves drink. Moreover, you can use it as a showpiece as well. So, if you are not drinking, then get it as a blessing at a showpiece at your home. Hand-operated drones. Do you love to play with drones? Let's have a look at this amazing gem that will entertain your kids. Your kids would definitely love to play with this gem amazing gift. Let's surprise them with these amazing gadgets. Moreover, it comes with an infrared technology that will detect obstacles in its way. Furthermore, you need to toss the drone in the air. You know what? It's a unique and easy to use design. Moreover, its elegant design is very charming and eye-catchy. It is a highly durable and amazing product. Whiteboard system. Are you a teacher and get troubled using the whiteboard? Then there is an interactive whiteboard system that will help you to deliver an interactive session with your students. Moreover, it is automatic and easy to use for you. Above all, it is portable and easy to carry with. Let's share some important information. It is flexible enough to solve the problem for adjustment. Moreover, it is compatible with many applications. Above all, it is for a large screen that allows you to work with it. You can not only present, but you can draw and you can easily use E-Pen as a mouse. So guys, it is an amazing opportunity for the teachers and presenters as well. Magnetic levitation speaker. Are you looking for the speaker that can connect with Bluetooth? The levitation of the speaker allows music to travel at 360 degrees. Although there are many speakers that are connected with Bluetooth. But wait, do you know about the magnetic levitation speaker? If no, then you must have to give it a read. You can easily connect a magnetic levitation speaker via Bluetooth. Moreover, it comes with colorful LED lights that can be visible in dark. Furthermore, you can gift it to any family member and they cannot dislike it. So go and get this amazing life-changing product. Link in the description. Brain sensing headband. You may want meditation for healthy and strong mental state. That will definitely boost your mental state, so you can live a healthy life. Although there's a much meditation such as Zen meditation and walking meditation. Now, you may think about how this brain sensing headband would help you in meditation. So, start the music and close your eyes. This headband will translate your mind into real-time feedback. Moreover, it is your personal meditation assistant and you will easily get brain meditation. You can also do the following type of meditation such as brain, body, breath and heart meditation.